This property is presented by Charlotte Rouse beautiful 5-bedroom and 3.5-bathroom brick front Colonial built in 2004 in the Coventry Meadows neighborhood on 0.40 acres. Fully finished walkout basement with second kitchen, bedroom, full bathroom, spacious closet, and laundry room. This space makes a great rental or an in-law space. Conveniently located just 4 minutes from the Spotsylvania Regional Medical Center, Cosner's Corner, and Southpoint shopping. 18 minutes to downtown Fredericksburg. A commuter's dream located 3.5 miles from the VRE. Hardwood flooring guides you to your centrally located kitchen. Your recently updated kitchen has ample counter space, including an additional counter that is ideal for platters when you entertain family on holidays. A formal dining room is between your kitchen and sunroom with beautiful crown molding and chair railing. The sunroom has floor-to-ceiling windows and is sure to be one of the favorite rooms in the home. Take the party to the outdoors with grilling and games on your large deck off the sunroom and your fenced-in backyard. For the colder part of the year, you can enjoy wine or hot chocolate in your sitting room, located next to the dining room, that has a wood-burning fireplace with a gorgeous stone mantle. Your primary suite has a high ceiling, large walk-in closet, and a full bathroom. Your primary bathroom has a jetted tub with tile backsplash and a walk-in shower with a marble seat. A double sink vanity and plenty of natural lighting round out the primary bathroom. The finished basement includes a full kitchen that has a sink, oven/electric range, and refrigerator. This space has everything you need with a living room, bedroom, bathroom, walk-in closet, and laundry room.